If you're watching this, chances are you want more than just to get by, you want real financial freedom. You want to wake up without worrying about bills, to have choices, to travel, to help your family, or maybe just to breathe a little easier. But here's the hard truth. Most people will never get there. Not because they're not smart, not because they don't work hard, but because they're missing one crucial step. If you're not doing this, you'll never be financially free, no matter how much you earn, how many side hustles you start, or how many budgeting apps you download. So what is it? It's simple, but it's not easy. You must pay yourself first. This is the single most important habit that separates people who struggle from people who build real wealth. It's the foundation of every financial success story, and yet it's the step most people skip. Let's break down why this matters so much, how it works, and how you can start today no matter where you're starting from. Let's start with what most people do. They get paid, they pay their bills, they buy groceries, they cover all the little expenses that pop up, and then if there's anything left, they try to save or invest. But let's be honest, there's almost never anything left. Life always finds a way to eat up that last bit of money. Emergencies, birthdays, sales, cravings, you name it. The result? Another month goes by and your savings account barely moves. Your investments stay on the back burner. Your dreams get pushed off for someday. Now, let's contrast that with what financially free people do. The moment they get paid, they take a portion 10%, 20%, whatever they can manage, and move it straight into savings or investments. Before they pay a single bill, before they buy a single thing, they pay themselves first. This isn't just a nice idea, it's a non-negotiable rule. They treat their savings like a bill that must be paid, no matter what. And because they do this automatically, month after month, their wealth grows quietly in the background, even when life gets busy or unpredictable. Why does this work? Because it flips the script on how we think about money. Instead of saving what's left, you spend what's left after saving. It forces you to live on less than you earn, which is the only way to build wealth. It also removes willpower from the equation. You don't have to decide every month whether to save or invest. You set it up once, automate it, and let the system work for you. Over time, this one habit can turn even a modest income into real financial security. Let's get practical. How do you start paying yourself first? Step 1. Decide on a percentage or amount you can commit to. It doesn't have to be huge. If you can only do 5% right now, start there. The key is consistency. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account the day you get paid. Make it invisible and inconvenient to access. Step 3. Adjust your lifestyle to fit what's left. This might mean cutting back on some expenses, but you'll be surprised how quickly you adapt. Here's a real-world example. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. You decide to pay yourself first by saving 10%. That's $300. On payday, $300 moves automatically to your savings or investment account. You now have $2,700 to cover everything else. At first, it might feel tight. But over time, you'll find ways to make it work, maybe by cooking at home more, canceling unused subscriptions, or shopping smarter. The magic is that your savings grow every month without you having to think about it. Now, let's address the most common objections. I can't afford to save right now. My expenses are too high. I'll start when I get a raise. The truth is, if you wait for the perfect time, it will never come. There will always be another bill, another emergency, another reason to put it off. The people who become financially free are the ones who start where they are, with what they have. Even if it's just $10 a week, the habit matters more than the amount. Over time, you can increase it as your income grows or your expenses shrink. Let's contrast this with the mindset that keeps people stuck. Most people believe that financial freedom is about earning more. And yes, income matters. But if you spend everything you make, it doesn't matter how much you earn, you'll always be one step behind. Paying yourself first is about building a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where freedom lives. It's what gives you options, security, and the ability to say yes to opportunities and no to stress. Another powerful benefit of paying yourself first is that it builds momentum. As your savings and investments grow, you start to see real progress. You feel more confident, more in control, and more motivated to keep going. This positive feedback loop is what turns small habits into big results. It's also what separates people who talk about financial freedom from those who actually achieve it. If you're still not convinced, let's look at what happens over time. Imagine you start by saving just $100 a month. That might not sound like much, but after a year. But here's the real secret. Paying yourself first isn't just about money. It's about mindset. When you make your future a priority, you start to see yourself differently. You're not just surviving, you're planning, building, and investing in your own freedom. That shift in thinking changes everything. You start to make smarter choices, saying no to things that don't matter and yes to opportunities that move you forward. You stop living for the next payday and start building a life you actually want. Let's contrast this with the old way of doing things. Most people hope for a better future, but never take real steps to create it. They wait for a raise, a bonus, or a lucky break. But hope is not a strategy. Financial freedom is built on action, not wishes. When you pay yourself first, you're taking control. You're telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. You're building a safety net, an opportunity fund, and a future you can count on. So if you're not doing this yet, start today. Pick an amount, any amount, and set up that automatic transfer. Make it non-negotiable. Treat it like rent, like a bill you can't skip. As you get used to living on a little less, you'll find it gets easier. And as your savings grow, so will your confidence and your options. This is the habit that changes everything. It's the foundation of financial freedom, and it's available to anyone willing to start. Here's your challenge. Before the day is over, set up your first automatic transfer, even if it is just $10. Commit to paying yourself first for the next 3 months and see what happens. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and don't let setbacks stop you. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. If you do this, you'll be amazed at how quickly your life can change. Drop a comment below with the amount you're committing to save, and let's support each other on the path to freedom. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs a financial reset. Remember, the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is the decision to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it, one paycheck at a time. Your future self will thank you.